Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, the vehicle is going to be powered by a 6.7-liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Tremor off-road package, the black appearance package, as well as the XLT Premium Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got side bed steps, mud flaps on the rear and front, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with lovely Bedliner. We also do get a tailgate step as well. Bed camera, we got the Tremor gripped running boards, trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, and move to the front real quick. We got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, that front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with the upgraded B&O sound system, 6 additional seat right there, outlets, cup holders, a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a mostly power driver's seat, only manual parts right there, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got power folding mirrors as well, that upgraded B&O sound system, lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 48 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media. We got your volume, voice, cruise control, and digital odometer, RPMs, all the usuals there. With your main screen, you have fuel economy, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got cup holders, storage, more storage here down under your 6 additional seat with the headrest, with your storage below. More storage here with outlets just above it. We have rear locking diff, trailer turn, 4-wheel drive, drive mounts, trailer brake, with your climate controls, heated front seats, 12 volt and 120. Storage above, below, on the dash, 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please, a nice powered rear window opener, as well as your features for your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, engine brake, hill assist, hazard traction, 360 view of the vehicle, different camera angles as well. You have your audio, navigation. We're just going to click into our audio right now. Ooh, that's loud. With your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, your phone controls, navigation, search, reads, and saved. Have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED88164, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.